How can you turn app restrictions off on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so most likely the restrictions are set up inside of the settings and a screen time section. So you can get inside like this and you'll see the daily usage and all of the charts. But then there are the restrictions which can be set up like through different methods, even here. For example, there are the app limits, which literally lets you select a time period during which you are allowed to use an application. So that's kind of important to know, perhaps to extend the time frame or to delete that altogether. Obviously, we also have the downtime during which only allowed apps can be used. So that is all manageable right here. But most importantly, we have the content and privacy restrictions, which is the thing that a lot of people are interested in, because here you can, for example, not allow downloading more apps on the iPad, or some different things might be in here. Like you can see some features are simply turned off. I don't know, like FaceTime or camera, whatever, right? So as you can see, this is where it gets really interesting, and that's what you probably want to manage. Also, there is the like web data and web content, which can be limited or unrestricted, whatever. So that's something that you can also change in here, right? So that's how it works. Obviously, it might also be protected by the passcode. So if you want to, you can also set up a passcode to make sure like nobody else can change these settings. So it's, yeah, it depends on your situation. So let me know in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.